Hey guys, today let's learn how to add a clickable link on your YouTube video. So if you guys have a specific YouTube video that you want to go ahead and post, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to step-by-step add a YouTube link on the description. So please like this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and tap on the plus icon over on the middle of our screen. So as you see, once you launch the YouTube application, just go ahead and tap on the plus icon right here and then tap on video. Now you should basically see the option to choose some video over on your camera roll, and I want you guys to choose your preferred video that you want to go ahead and post.
The story of my life.
Now in this case, I've already chosen this video right here, and it's going to take me to the option to edit a title or add a description. In this case, I'm going to tap on add description, and you should see this option right here. Just go ahead and paste the link that you have on here, and once the viewers actually view the description, they will be able to tap and click on the link that you add over on the description right here. And once you're done, go ahead and just post the video on your timeline, and that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.